Hello and welcome back. This video is the continuation of Wi-Fi vending voucher type. In this demo, I will be showing you on how to update your router OS to the latest version and install the latest user manager package that depends on the architecture processor of your MikroTik router. First, log in to your MikroTik device which we have configured last time. You can click either MAC address or IP address. Go to System and click Packages. As you can see, I don't have User Manager on the package list. On the package list, click Check for updates. I am already in the latest version. If you are not on the latest version, then we will just click Download and install. Do not upgrade to firmware version 7. User Manager on web will not work on that environment. If your router is not on latest version 6, consider download. Now, we need to check the processor name of our router. This is the architecture name of my router, MIPSBE. Based on that, we need to download the user manager. Now we need to go to mikrotik.com and go to download page. My architecture is MIPSBE. I am on the latest router OS, version 6. Just click Router OS v6. I am on 6.49.15. I will now download the extra packages. Click the Save icon. Then navigate to Download folder. Extract the downloaded package. These are all packages from our downloads, but we only need this user manager package. Now, we will go back to MikroTik, go to Files. From File List, click Upload. Let's select the extracted user manager from Download folder. Click Open to upload. Done. From File List, let's scroll down to the bottom to check if it is uploaded. Upload successful. Let's go to Package to see the packages. User Manager is not yet installed. Let's now reboot the router for the User Manager to be installed in the packages. Don't close anything. It will display everything when the reboot completed. Go to System. Click Reboot. Router has just rebooted. Now we see the user manager installed already on the packages. If you have close your MikroTik, just log in and go to System, then click Packages to see installed package. We can now start to set up our user manager. First, let's check the user manager IP. User manager use the IP of Ether1, so this is its IP. Now go to your browser and type the IP address of Ether1 followed by username. By default, you will log in as admin with a blank password. Click Login. Then we will change the blank password, as it is not safe. To do that, click to Customers. And click the existing admin account. In password box, I will just use 1, 2, 3, 4, as this is a demo. Make your own strong password. Click Save. After that, click Routers. This is to let the user manager that there is a MikroTik router communication. Then click Add button, and click New. Type any name you want. For me, I just use my hotspot. For the IP address, you can use the IP address of user manager, but it's more suitable to use the local host IP when user manager is installed on the same router. On IP address, just type 127.0.0.1. For the secret, I just use 4, 3, 2, 1. Click Add. Next, on your MikroTik, go to Radius. This is to let the MikroTik router know that there is a user manager communications. Click Add button. On General tab, check Hotspot. Then, put the same IP address that you have used in user manager. In my case, I will just type 127.0.0.1. Then, for the secret, it must be the same on the user manager setup. Type 4, 3, 2, 1. Click Apply. Click OK. Now, let's create profiles for limitations. Go to User Manager. Click Profiles. Click Limitation. Click Add, and click New. I will name it to 5 hours limit. For download speed, I will set it to 7 Mbps. For upload speed, I will also set it to 7 Mbps. For the uptime, I will give limitation of 5 hours. Click Save. As you can see, I have limit name of 5 hours limit, with upload and download speed of 7 Mbps, and uptime of 5 hours. Now we have to create a profile, and add this limitation to the profile. Click Profiles. Click Add button. We will name it to Limit 5. Click Create. Then you must see the Add New Limitation. Click it. Next, check the 5 hours limit. Then click Add. It has now 7 Mbps of upload and download limits, and with uptime to 5 hours. Now, we will create users. Click Users. Click Add. Click 1. Type any name. Let's say User 1. For the password, type 1, 2, 3. Assign profile to the profile we created earlier. In our case, we only created single profile, the limit 5. Click Add. Next, we will create another set of users. Click Add. This time, we will choose Batch. For the number of users, let's create 4. Let's give a prefix name user. For name length to be added, just select 3. For the password length, just select 3. Assign profile to the profile we created earlier. In our case, we only created single profile. The limit 5. Click Add. Now we have created 5 users. To view its password, just click the user. Finally, we will try to connect this username and password to the hotspot. Go to Wi-Fi and click Glen Hotspot, but first, I have to unplug my UTP LAN cable to avoid any conflict. We are now connected to the internet. Let's check if this connection is limited to a 7 Mbps speed, as we have configured it. We will try to view the vouchers in User Manager that has to be printed and to be distributed to customers. My Crotic default voucher is very simple and is not looking good. In the next video, we will edit its template for the voucher to look better. Now let's check back the download and upload speed test result. As configured, it is on the 7 Mbps limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Lovingly yours. Until then, enjoy my Crotic configuration.